Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will talk about the remaining important extra functions and things in the Python programming language. Here are the other important key features and functions that we will cover in this video: filter, lambda, enumerate, and Python text-to-speech library. In Python, a lambda function is a small anonymous function defined using the lambda keyword. Lambda functions can have any number of arguments, but can only have one expression. They are particularly useful when you require a simple function for a short period of time. The filter function is used to filter elements from an iterable, like a list, based on a given function, often a lambda function or a custom function that returns a Boolean value. In Python, the enumerate function is used to add a counter to an iterable and returns it as an enumerate object. The enumerate function can be particularly useful when you want to loop over an iterable while keeping track of the index or position of each element. Python text-to-speech library is a text-to-speech conversion library in Python. It allows you to convert text into spoken words using different speech engines without requiring any internet connection. Let's head to VS Code for practical examples. I will open a new file, code Et-Cetra.py. Now I will work out one example of the mentioned features. At first, I will work with the lambda function. Double equals to lambda x colon x times 2. Result equals to double inside parentheses 5. And at the end, print result. A lambda function is defined and assigned to the variable double. The lambda function takes an argument x and returns the result of x times 2, effectively doubling the input value x. Now if I run this, Python Et-Cetra.py, you can see it outputs 10. Now I will use the filter function. Numbers equals to, inside brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and at the end 10. Then even underscore numbers equals to list inside parentheses filter and inside parentheses lambda x colon x module 2 equals 0 comma numbers. Then print inside parentheses even underscore numbers. In this example, filter function is used with a lambda function to filter out even numbers from the numbers list, returning a new list containing only the even numbers. Now if I run this, you can see it outputs 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now I will work with the enumerate function. Fruits equals to, inside brackets and inside quotations, apple, banana, cherry, date. Then for num, fruit, and enumerate inside parentheses fruits, start equals to 1, colon, print, inside parentheses, an F string, and inside quotations, number, inside curly braces, num, colon, inside curly braces, fruit. Now if I run this, you can see that the outputs number 1, apple, number 2, banana, number 3, cherry, number 4, date. Now at the end, I will use the Python text-to-speech library. First, make sure to install it using this command pip install pyttsx3. Then import cowsay, then import pyttsx3 or the library, then engine equals to pyttsx3.init message or msg equals to, inside quotations, this was a complete overview of the Python programming language, then cowsay.dragon inside parentheses msg, then engine.setProperty inside parentheses and quotations rate, comma, 150. Then engine.say inside parentheses msg, and at the end engine.run and wait, open parentheses, close parentheses. Engine equals to Python text-to-speech x3.init initializes the text-to-speech engine, cowsay.dragon inside parentheses msg displays the message in a speech bubble with a dragon ASCII art using the cowsay library, engine.setProperty adjusts the speech rate to 150 words per minute, engine.say attempts to read the variable msg aloud using the text-to-speech engine, and engine.runandwait initiates the speech output. Now if I run this, you can see it says this was a complete overview of the Python programming language. Thank you guys for watching. This will be among the last topics that we will cover from Python. I hope you learned new things and crafted new skills. Stay tuned for more lessons and insights on other programming languages. For now, goodbye.